Now let's talk about your cabin lighting. There are various switches installed in the master stateroom, VIP stateroom, galley, and forward area of the salon that will control your switches. On the port side of the settee area, in the forward area of the main cabin, we've installed a dual switch panel that will control the overhead lights and the accent lights in this area of the cabin. The inboard switch turns on the overhead lights that surround the accent area. This is a dual switched area that also turns on from the cabinet in the galley. To dim the lights, you'll hold the switch and you'll see the lights dim as it's being held. Finally, to turn off. To turn them on full speed, you press once quickly. Outboard of the overhead lights, you'll see another switch. This one controls the accent lighting or rope lighting that's in the inset panel above the table in the forward area of the boat. To turn them on fully, you'll give it a quick press. If you'd like to dim them, you give it a constant hold, and the light will go down in intensity. We've installed a 4-position switch panel at the aft end of the galley cabinet top. The most inboard switch will control the overhead lights in the galley area. To turn them on, a quick press will turn them on. A press and hold will allow them to dim up or down. Inboard of that switch, we have a dual-purpose switch. This one turns the lighting in the forward area of the cabin above the settee on and off. There's another switch for this in the settee area itself. Once again, you'll press and hold for dimming, quick turn on and off for constant lighting. Outboard of that one, you have the accent lighting on the forward cabinets. This lights the underside of the edge of the cabinetry in the forward area. It's a nice accent light. Finally, we have a switch for the lights that are installed on the underside of the upper galley cabinet. This gives you a light on and off with a quick press, and as the other ones, press and hold will allow the light to dim itself. We have 2 switches on the switch panel in the master stateroom. One's for the overhead lights in the stateroom, the other's for the light in the head. In the VIP/guest stateroom, we have a single switch. This turns on the overhead lights or dims them as well. So to access the lighting on your C-Zone system, you'll touch the icon that says lighting. This allows you to operate not only the cabin lights, but all lights that are installed that work on batteries throughout the boat.